In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a call step in Lemlist. So first, log into your Lemlist account, then go to campaigns, and here open up the campaign where you want to add the call step. And once inside, head over to sequence page. Now inside, click on this add button to add a step, and here choose call from the list of step types. And now, once added, click on the pencil icon inside the window to set the timing for your call. So here you can adjust how many days after the previous step this call should happen. This helps you space out your outreach naturally. And after that, here in the right corner, add a short call note or script. This could include key talking points, reminders, or a quick pitch to guide you during the call. Here, you can also assign the step to a specific team member if you're working collaboratively, ensuring the right person handles the call. And once done, click on the Save button at the top to save your step and make sure it's active in your sequence. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!